Hey folks, my name is Carlos here with Shine, and today we're going to take a look at how to connect your mobile device, today we have an iPhone, to your 2020 Audi Q3 MMI system. Let's take a look. So you have to go to your screen first, your primary screen here, and you choose phone, obviously. And you want to go to your phone here and choose Bluetooth, and keep your phone open in that menu. So from there, you want to connect mobile device, touch that there. And it's going to start searching, and as you can see, Audi MMI down below. Choose Audi MMI, choose accept on the Audi system, choose pair on your phone, and then you can choose to don't allow or allow for your contacts and your favorites. I'm going to choose allow, and then the vehicle connects, and you'll see successfully connected to Carlos's iPhone or whatever your Bluetooth device is. It even tells you if your battery is low. So that's how you connect your mobile device to your 2020 Audi Q3. If you guys have any other questions on this particular model or any other model for that fact, visit the links below, get in touch with us, or visit timetoshyne.com. And don't forget guys, save your time, drive with Shine.